In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the rolling camera dump trend video for TikTok and Instagram Reels using a CapCut template. This trend is super popular because it feels fast, clean, and effortless, and it's a great way to turn a bunch of photos and short clips into a polished reel in just a few minutes. If you want to make your content look more trendy and more engaging, this is a really easy edit to learn. And before we jump in, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more simple editing tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open CapCut and go to the template section. You'll usually find this in the main navigation, and this is where CapCut keeps all the ready-made trending edits. Once you're inside templates, use the search bar and type camera roll dump or rolling photo dump. These are the most common names for this trend. If you don't see the exact wording, try searching photo dump fast or January dump, because in some versions of the library, the template names can vary a little. What you want to look for visually are templates with a film strip border, a vertical stack of images, or a fast-scrolling preview that clearly gives off that rolling dump style. That visual check is important because sometimes the title doesn't match exactly, but the animation style is what really matters. After you find a template that looks right, click on it to preview the playback. Watch the animation carefully and make sure it has the rolling movement or fast cut effect you want for your video. This preview step saves you time because you don't want to choose a template that looks similar but doesn't actually match the trend. Once you've confirmed it's the right one, click the Add Template button. CapCut will now open the template setup screen where you can start importing your content. One thing to keep in mind is that rolling templates often require a lot of media. Some need 15 clips, some need 20, and some can use 50 or more depending on the design. So before you start, it helps to gather all your photos and videos into one folder so the process is faster and smoother. After that, look for the materials or clip slots panel at the bottom of the screen. This area shows you how many clips the template needs and how many empty slots still need to be filled. Now click import and then select the folder where your photos and videos are stored. If you want to save time, you can bulk select all your media in the import window instead of adding them one by one. Just highlight everything you want to use and click Open. CapCut will automatically fill the slots in order, which makes this trend super beginner friendly, even if you've never edited in CapCut before. After your media is loaded, take a moment to review the order. Usually, the first few images create the strongest impact, so if you want your dump video to feel more exciting, place your best shots early in the sequence. You can also rearrange clips if needed, depending on the template behavior. Once everything is filled, preview the final result to make sure the transitions, timing, and rolling effect all feel smooth. If the template gives you music options or text overlays, you can customize those too so the video fits your style and your platform. For TikTok and Instagram Reels, keep your visuals quick, bright, and engaging because fast-moving content tends to perform better. You can also pair the dump with a short caption, a date, a month title, or a simple vibe-based theme like travel, summer, study life, or behind the scenes. That makes the trend feel more personal and helps people connect with the video. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to find a rolling camera dump template, preview it, add it to your project, and bulk import your photos and videos so CapCut can fill everything automatically. It's one of the fastest ways to make a trendy reel without building the edit from scratch. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.